Supreme Court has ruled that government spending on an information campaign in the children's referendum wasn't fair, impartial or equal. Dubliner Mark McCrystal took the case, claiming that over €1 million of public funds was being used wrongly to promote a yes vote. The landmark ruling comes just 2 days before the country votes on Saturday. It has led to calls by a group of independent TDs for the referendum to be postponed.
Mark McCrystal, an engineer from Dublin, said he did not take this case for personal gain, but on behalf of the Irish people. A small group of supporters applauded from the back of the Supreme Court after he successfully challenged government spending of €1 million on a referendum information campaign. Mr McCrystal had claimed the language and pictures used in the government's campaign were geared towards a yes vote, in breach of the 1995 landmark McKenna Judgment, which prohibits the use of public funds to promote one side in a referendum.
We just had a clear and unanimous decision by the Supreme Court. The state has been unfair in this referendum, using taxpayers' money to get a yes vote in this referendum, leaving voters uninformed about what this referendum is really about. People should pay careful attention now at this stage to the government use their the taxpayers' money in a way which is not consistent with a free and open democracy.
The court said it was clear there were extensive passages in the booklet and on the website which did not conform to the McKenna principles. The material also included a misstatement about the effect of the referendum. A declaration was granted that the government acted wrongfully in spending public money on the website, booklet and advertisements in a manner which was not fair, equal or impartial. Today's decision overturns a recent ruling of the High Court which found the information was not biased. But the Supreme Court said an injunction today was not necessary because it could be assumed the government would now stop distributing and publishing the material. The substance of Saturday's referendum was, the court said, a matter for the people alone. Vivian Traynor, RTE News at the Supreme Court.